Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So my viewers and subscribers, you know, say from the other day, I saw this thing just a couple of days ago, because I recently had my people, with this Jamaican female over there in the United States of America, my people, who them say manage to take the 3 points, my people, of her little one. You understand? And my viewers and my subscribers, the manner and the way how this female managed to do this thing to the little one, my viewers and subscribers, only Jah sees and he knows, you know what I mean? And when them say, yo, my people, she's a Jamaican national, a Jamaican female who is just 24 years old, my people, and she managed to do something like this to a child where she push out, my people, only Jah sees and he knows. 3-year-old daughter, you know, so no matter what she could have go through or what stress, my people, she must sick in her head or something. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, if it takes something object, my people, to this to a 3-year-old, Jah sees, Jah knows. So my people, we have this article, this 2 set of article I'm going to read based on this story, my people. I have one, you know what I mean, when she was charged pertaining to doing this to the little one, my people. And we have one with a man who basically is her stepfather, my people. I speak out and I share his thoughts based on the whole thing what happened with this female, my people. Because, yo, crazy world, crazy people, 3-year-old. Jah. A Jamaican woman is suspected to have fatally stabbing her young daughter early Tuesday morning in North Miami Beach, Florida, USA. According to North Miami Beach Police Department, the police said around 2 a.m., 24-year-old Jellisa Baxter called the police and allegedly admitted to stabbing and killing her child. The police said they took Baxter into custody without incident. News has learned that the young woman is from Fvll area of Clarendon. Her daughter was just 3 years old. All the time of her arrest, she was reportedly in the living room of her apartment wearing a white robe and the little girl's body was nearby. Baxter faces charges of first-degree murder and aggravated child abuse. She is being held at the Turner Guelph Night Correctional Center. Jah sees, Jah knows. The North Miami Beach Police stated that Baxter told responding officers that she strangled her daughter at first, but when that didn't work, she stabbed her in the chest and neck. The report stated that the girl had several deep stab wounds to her chest, neck, and face. According to the police officers located the murder weapon near the girl's body, no motive has been revealed for the killing. But people, on a real level, when you see how the same thing are wicked, when you see how the same thing are cruel, my people, what could I go through the mind and the head and the brains of this same thing? A same thing me have to call it, my people. 24 years old, I'm not care what nobody want to say. Me understand, say she could have mad, the brain could have chip. What could have happened in that department? My people are still sinting. Because no care me say people mad, they love them loved one. And them are going to say, my people, right, you know what, let me read the second article, my people. The second article where the stepfather is speaking out. You understand? Because this is too much, man. Attack. A man said to be the stepfather of Jamaican Jellisa Baxter, who allegedly recently killed her 3-year-old daughter in Florida, United States, has described her alleged action as being sick. Harold Emmons told News South Florida on Thursday that he met his stepdaughter once when her mother passed away from cancer in September last year. She, Jellisa Baxter, didn't seem like a bad mama to me. The one time I met her and the baby once, he said of the encounter. She is sick, you know, that's all I can say, because right now if somebody is going to pick up a knife and kill your one child, Hemmings lamented in the interview. The little girl is yet to be identified by the Florida police. In addition to her mother's recent death days before the killing of her daughter, Baxter was served with an eviction notice from her North Miami Beach apartment. Public records obtained by U.S. media said Baxter was unemployed at the time she fatally stabbed. In a 22 seconds audio call between Baxter and a 911 police dispatcher, she said she first tried to strangle her daughter. That didn't work, so stabbed her with a knife in the neck and chest, Baxter told dispatcher. The North Miami Beach Police Department said they took Baxter into custody without incident on Tuesday. She was in the living room of her apartment wearing a white robe and the little girl's body was nearby. So basically, my people, you see him part in the end forward back they say Zine. But when me I say my people, Zine, stepfather says she must be sick. She must be sick, yes, for sure. But on a real level, no matter how sick she be or what she be, my people, you know what in this are demons, this you know, possessed by demons, by evil forces, man. Eh? Because if somebody can take a knife, my people, and do this to them, as me say, my people, 3-year-old, just imagine what you would have do to somebody naturally who is not even your one pitney. Eh? But understand that she must be stressed, my people. She lost her mother last year and something. She not work, you understand. She in the apartment, then give her eviction notice, my people. Now no choice, now know if it go. But what me I say, my people, there's other ways, or if you feel like take out something, take out yourself and leave a pitney then. But I really, me know me sound harsh, me know me sound wicked, but me say, if you want to take out yourself, if you decide say, what kind of too much stress, too much problem in this world, me can't live so. Why in the end you don't want to take out a little one? Me understand say maybe you not work for feed her, you not work for sustain her or nothing like that. But this is America you're not in. And they have so much agency and so much things. You understand? Instead of taking out the little one, we could have helped this little one. But see what you do? Eh? You not even know. Maybe at the next doctor we are go forward to come help and cure certain things. The next big lawyer, the next big judge. Eh? And every time me say on a wicked sin thing manage to do these things to a little one. You know what I mean? We have to keep on saying these things. Eh? You don't know who you get out. You don't know who you get rid of. Eh? But this is what you do. I have the heart for the body on the ground. You're in the living room in a white robe and call police if they come for you. You just do this. Eh? One thing I can say, a straight attack for you. No leniency, no joke, no play with the attack. You understand? You wicked piece of sin thing. I pray say I made us a hope say then do a brain cell evaluation for you and it good. And then I hope say the states or wherever you're in or where you do, them do have a chair for you. One nice one too. Yeah man, me attack a chair or rejection or something or a rope, something. But you know to be among society is a wicked and cruel and evil sin thing. My people, big up on yourself, you know. Please remember to do like, do share, do comment and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official. Attacking Boss. Peace out my people. Enough love. Blessings. Attack. Big up.